lower. Again, the video, see price break structure to the upside. Boom, here's your pullback to go long right here on trade opportunity. As well, there's a short entry, like I said, right here. I went short in this area right here. It just kind of fumbled around here with right at the VPOT, which is this area right here. So, and that's how I trade each day, guys. Supply and demand. That's why I'm so obsessed with it. And this is why I love trading. And get it into take one contract here. Okay, come on. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and once again today we are taking a look here at trading the Emini S&P 500 futures. That's the ES market. I'm a futures trader, and that's what I trade. You know, I don't trade anything else, guys. I just trade the futures, and particularly the ES here. So I like to always start off by thanking those who have subscribed to the channel. Thank you for subbing. And if you have not turned on your post notification, which is a little bell icon, make sure to click and turn on all your post notifications. Um, I just want to make sure that everybody is getting the, I guess, the alert when I post the videos each day. And I know a lot of you guys look forward to the content. So please make sure that you click on a little bell icon to make sure that you get the uploads as soon as I publish them to the channel. So if it's your first time watching, thank you guys for tuning in this morning. However you found the channel, appreciate that. Hopefully we can gain you as a loyal subscriber here on the channel. And I'm a price action trader. I trade the ES 5 days a week. And not only do I just record my trades, guys, I actually go into detail and talk about the strategy and in particular the details of why I actually take each one of my trades. So hopefully we can gain you as a subscriber if you don't mind. Maybe now, maybe you'll subscribe sometime throughout the video. But go ahead and watch the video. I have tons of videos on the channel as well that you can filled with content about how I trade and my style of trading. Okay, so we're going to go ahead and jump into the video. I always start off by looking at my 60 range, which we'll do here. But we can see the price right now. The pressure's to the downside, of course. Let me see if we can. There we go. Okay, 60 range is telling us right now that the market is you know, wanting to push lower, guys. So it is breaking structure even on a higher time frame. You see it pushing down here, pulling back, pushing lower, breaking structure right here. Made a pretty significant pullback. Looks like last week here, and now we're pushing lower. So this is on a higher time frame, okay? But right now, let's see what we got going on. We are actually moving into a area of, let me see here. Yeah, we're moving now to an area of down here, an area of demand down here off the 60 range chart. So, which is sweet because what that tells us, what we know is that by doing that, then moving into an area of demand. As I talk about in my videos, guys, I've got some instructional videos. I posted one over the weekend on Sunday about identifying and drawing out trade zones. I have some videos on the channel talking about supply and demand, and that's what I look for is supply and demand, because supply and demand is the most important part of my trading, okay, and how I trade. So right now we are pushing into, let's see, right now we're in this area right here, okay, so this is another area right here we can be mindful of. That's where price pushed up, pulled back, pushing higher, okay. All right, and this could be an area right here. So we'll see what happens here. So we'll see what happens here, or price can push a little lower. But right now, if you look at the higher time frame, it's on the 60. We are right at this high volume node here, right below it a little bit. And of course, I like to look for my trades when I'm going long at the lower edge of a high volume node. So we'll see what takes place now here on the 60 range chart, of course. I mean, excuse me, the 12 range chart. So what now that we're kind of moving to that area there, I want to start to see price break structure back up to the upside for me to look for a pullback, okay? And that's how I trade. So I start off by looking at my 60 range to depict a direction to kind of see where we're at. If we're in an area of demand and supply. So I always look for my area, always look at the higher time frame to see if we're in supply or demand, and then I move over to my 12 range to see if price is going to start breaking structure. Now we can push lower here and then push up higher. Now yesterday I did into the overnight session. I took a trade um, right here. Okay. Um, yeah, I took this trade right here. Little area of supply sitting on the top right here. Was a good trade for me. That was got into the trade. I think it was close to about 8 o'clock yesterday evening. So price would trace back to this area right here. It rejected this area here, closes the red candle right here. I go short, and let's see. I think I try. So that those markers show you my trades right there. So that was yesterday evening around 8 o'clock. And what did I pick up last night? Today is the, let's see, the 6th. So yeah, I picked up 21 ticks. Yeah, 21 ticks yesterday. Yeah, 8 o'clock. Yesterday evening on those trades, trade there at 8 o'clock in the yesterday after the market opened back up. Okay, so we'll wait to see what the market's going to do here. It looks like it opened up around this area here and continue pushing lower. So um, we'll see if it starts to break structure. When I say structure, meaning forming structure back to the upside. Maybe when we want to see swings making higher, a high, higher low, and then a higher high, and then breaking structure when prices move to the downside. So um, we'll see. We will see. Okay. So I'm looking at my 60 range again to confirm. We are pushing a little lower, it looks like. So we can come down here and test this area down here around 52, 44, 52 as well. So I'll bring a marker down here, another one of these red lines to mark this area right here at 52. So 50 is a half number, so we have to be mindful of that area too. So we have some confluency there. We have an area demand, and then we also have 50 round, the half number. So that's an extra means of confluency there. So, all right, so we'll look at, let's see what's going on the 24, if we can kind of capture anything here, if it would tell us anything. Um, yeah, let's see. Uh, so let's see if price is going to come here, if it's going to reject this area, or if it's going to come down here. Yeah, I'm late on this trade here, I'm be honest with you. Late, late, late. Okay. All right. Quit picking up a quick few ticks right here back to the bottom right here. Scalping right here off of this pullback to this area right here. Okay. Small area of supply sitting right here. So I and resistance right at the top volume node. So I waited for the candle here, the red candle to close, and I went short for just went ahead and put in for a point there because it's right back here to the low of today. So um, and with the market being so bullish, so bearish, you know, interested in looking for shorts, but we are in this area of demand here, so tap into this area of demand down here. So be careful about this as well. So um, and like I said, I want to see price um, breaking structure on the 12 range, and then look for a pullback. So I took this short because we're breaking structure. We're making structure to the downside. And on the pullback here, back to this area right here, I went ahead and went short and picked up. Let's see, today's the 6th. Let's see what we got. Just 8 ticks right there. So, all right, let's see what else is going to happen here. Yeah, probably a little long right here. I didn't see that. I'm looking at the full range chart now. So this price broke up to the upside here, pull back. Um, Yeah, pull back there. Little area to go long. Didn't take it because I was not paying attention to my 4 range chart at that time, but that was a little long right there. Yes, it was a little long. All right. So just be careful. I mean, this 60 range chart, 60 range candle could break to the upside here and close to the upside, and we could push higher. You know, could get a nice move to the upside here, but that's on a higher time frame. I'm a scalper. I don't position a swing trade, but so I'm just looking for price right now to start to break structure to the upside and look for pullbacks on the 12 range. So that's the key what I'm looking for right now. Let me take these markers off. I don't like to see them while I'm trading. Okay. I'm gonna look over the 24 range. See what we got going on here. Da, da, da. Yeah. So as well, price could pull back to. I'm gonna go ahead and put this line, this red line here, and move this one up here. Price could actually pull back to even this area up here. Okay, and which is above this high volume area here, kind of in this right here. All right, can pull back up here, and let's see. Yeah, and maybe look for a short in this area here. This I'm marking this off of 24 range. Oh, look at that price pushing higher. Okay, I missed that. All right, it kind of skyrocketed up, so it's okay. So with that said, yeah, I mean, let me see if we can grab a line from somewhere. Okay. Um, yeah, price can come right to this area here. Somewhere in this area right here, and can bounce. Let's see what happens. Which will be right here on the 4 range. You can see it here. So let's see. Just be patient in your trading. That's why I'm so like I like trading off of supply and demand zones because it's like you're getting in at the best prices. You know, up here, you know, getting at the best prices. You know, I'm not saying right here, but I'm just saying when you don't want to get in right at the neck of a swing. You want to get in where the origination or the initial buying took place or the selling took place. The price is better there. You know, um, like if you're buying and like right here, price pulls back. Do I want to get in? Like, do I want to get in at a high price? Or do I want to get in when price is low, but tuck back into the swing itself? It's kind of a bad example here, but just kind of showing you, like right here, look at the 24 range. Okay, if price retraces back to this area here, do I want to get in right here, or do I want to get in when price is higher? Tuck back in the swing here, where there's an area of supply sitting here. I want to get in this area with tuck back in the swing. Price is higher, so you have a better chance of selling opportunity. The probability is higher. That price will reject out of this area and then push lower. So the pullback retracement to this area, not here. I want to get in when the price is higher if I'm looking to sell. I want to get in. I want to get in when the price is lower when I'm looking to buy. Okay, so that's why I'm so gun ho and stuck on trading out of when price rejects out of areas of off areas of supply and demand. I'm like really obsessed about that because I really like to trade those zones because it's just I have a high probability of doing well and the outcome being, a lot greater or better than, trading the area of, right at the area of support, right at the area of resistance. Okay. So here's an area where price could possibly, I don't know, reject out of. We'll see. It's a high volume area right here. Um, you don't see it on the 24 range as well as you do on the 12 range. That's why it's important to have multiple kind of, you know, having multiple time frames up. Okay, there. So let's see if price is going to close below, what it's going to do here. I'm not sure. Hmm. Okay, we're at the VPOC though. Price right below the VPOC, so let's be a little iffy trade. So I just want to be careful here. All right, I'm short. Come on. Take one contract here. Okay, come on. Hmm. Yeah, I don't like this rotation mess right here. Come on. Yeah, I don't like this rotation mess what Price is doing right here. So I think yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna go ahead and get my profit here. Nice, Price is playing around. It could break higher. Ah, come on. Look at this. All right. We're too close to the VPOC. I'm trading way too close to the VPOC, and I don't like this rotation like this. Don't like what price is doing right now. Come on. I'm gonna get out of this trade because I don't like trading around the point of control is a tricky area to be trading. You see that the price is just jerking around it, and that's what it's going to do, jerk around PLC. Look at it. Oh my goodness. All right, I'm gonna get out of this trade. I do not like this price action. Okay. All right. So it is what it is. I'm just gonna go ahead and scalp this area, get out. Don't like the jerking around price is doing. Trading at the point of control. I think it's gonna push lower though. Watch it. Always likes to do this. Okay. All right, I'm going. I'm coming in, going in. Break. Come on, break down. My goodness. Look at it. Lord have mercy. All right. All right, come on, break down. Come lower. Man, look at this jerking around because we're at the V-Pot, guys. That's what you're going to get. It's kind of stuff that irritates you. Chopping into the market right now. Ah, don't forget we got FOMC today. There we go. I'm gonna go ahead and take out. It's probably gonna come down in this area right here, somewhere in this area right here. See it coming down. This stuff right here will chop you out of the market trading around the VPOC. So that's why I'm going to go ahead and take my profit. I'm not going to sit here and let the market. So I'm up 28 ticks right now. Okay. So I'm just going to wait it out. I'm gonna wait for price to move out of this area here. Okay. Now I mentioned price to come down here, right down to this area right here, um, and I can get maybe a little bounce down here. Got a high volume area, a little high volume node here. I'm not sure. It's just chopping around the PLC, so I'll just take what I can get and get out. Yep, there she goes. Just like I said, you just got to weather the storm sometimes, and I wasn't liking this choppiness right here, right in the PLC. So now price could do quite the opposite and pull up. Let's see. Um, hmm, but yeah, let's be a little careful here. Be a little careful here. All right, I'm gonna scalp this. I'm going for the kill on the scalp right here. 63. It could come a little lower. But we got to be careful because, like I mentioned, the market has been little bearish here. Look at the higher time frame. So come on, come on, push up. We got FOMC today, guys. So be mindful about that too. Man, looking for a quick scalp here. Come on. Look at this bouncing. There we go. Okay, we got filled. Market probably come up to this area up here, maybe back to this high volume node. Just scalping. 35 ticks right now. Okay. All right. Probably the candle closes here. It probably come back up to here. Let's see. But yeah, that's why I like trading. This is an area down here. This is an area of let's see. Area of demand sitting right here. So, yep. Quick scalping. Take what you can get. Understand resistance right above us. And get out. Look at it. It may push lower now. It may definitely push lower. Mm. Um, yeah, you see my line was correct there. The area of zone, price pushed up, pull back, push a little further down, wicked out here. This is a year long right here, right here. 60, go long up to this area up here. And that's what just happened. I went long a little early, so I should have waited for. You go long and close this candle here, you don't have much room. So price pull back. So what they try to do is they try to stop traders out on the retracement to the downside. They think traders are going to take a trade right here, like like I did, and then you get into a trade. Your stop is like right below this candle here, and then you get into a trade. They stop you out, and then what happens there? They stop you out, turn the market back around, and boom, it goes up. So this is a trap right here. Okay, retracement back to this area. You get to a trade here, you go long. Your stop is right below this green candle here. They turn the market back around, stop you out. It doesn't close below the low. It comes, wicks out the bottom below the low and then turns around, green candle to the upside. That's your trade to go long at 60, back up to 64, and that's 4 points right there. Simple as that. So watch and be mindful of things like that. That's a trap. And it's FOMC, so guys, things can happen. So just be careful. All right. Um, let me. This could be a long right here if you're trading off of your Yep. Yeah, that's a long right there. Could be a long right here. We'll go for a stab. Come on. Yeah. Ah. I didn't tap into this area here. Okay. Not good. It can come a little lower. Come on. Looking forward to come back into this area up here. 62 and a half. Fill my order. It's not going to, is it? I'm in on the high side of this little high volume area. I should have waited to come back down here. So yeah, there we go. I feel that. What did I do? Close out. Close out. Accidentally clicked on it filled the order, and then I was trying to move my TP and it entered me into another trade, but it's okay. I got out. Either way, let's see what we got now. Just scalped that little puppy there. So up 43 ticks right now. So I did have a little slippage on one of the trades. It's like 3 ticks. Show it to you. Bring it over here. Right there. 3 tick loss, something like that. So it's okay. Not gonna worry about it. 43 ticks up on the day. But yeah, but this is why I love trading the I'm so obsessed with trading the supply and demand zones, because it's just a higher probability of trading. Waiting for the rejection off of a area of supply or demand, it's just going to pan out and work out in your favor. So the key is waiting patiently for price to tap into an area of supply or demand, because you gotta trade like these institutions are doing. You gotta trade like the big boys are doing, and they want to get in when price is right. And their all game is to stop you out. Like you turn the trade around and go back in your direction, just like how it did right here. So you gotta think like them, be smart like them, and trade like them. You gotta understand that. You know. So the market's moving sideways right now. We're in a wedge. So for all those that don't know what a wedge is, that's just kind of the market movement ranging right now. So we're doing this number right here. Can't break lower and break below this low here, nor can we break this high right here. So we're wedging, building volume in this area in between these two high volume nodes right here. Okay. So here's what it is. Keep the day moving on. And the price is going. Yeah, we're not doing much at all today. I mean, the market opened around, let's see, what its high is right here, and then it dropped. Started making lower low, lower high, lower low, lower low. Then it turns back around. Like I said, I was waiting for the beginning of the video, see price break structure to the upside. Boom, here's your pullback to go long right here on trade opportunity. As well, there's a short entry, like I said, right here. I went short in this area right here. It just kind of fumbled around here with right at the VPOT, which is this area right here. So, and that's how I trade each day, guys. Supply and demand. That's why I'm so obsessed with it. And this is why I love trading, and get it into marking off zones in my chart where I know that the institutions are going to be more so interested in fulfilling orders at. That's why I do it. Okay. Let's see. Yeah, we're just back at the VPOC here. So, guys, I'm gonna wrap this video up here. Hopefully, you guys enjoy the content here. So I'm gonna take a few trades, and also discuss why I took those trades. But yeah, I mean, we haven't had much, not many opportunities. I mean, is it tradable? Yeah, but when price is moving sideways, right at the POC, it can be dangerous territory. So, FOMC today. So be safe if you're trading. And I'll see you guys tomorrow in the next video. Tomorrow is Thursday, the 7th. And if you haven't already subscribed, hey, go ahead and please take the time to go ahead and hit that red button, subscribe to the channel. And thank you and for joining the team. And we appreciate it. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Take care. Goodbye.